Most AI agent demos skip the part that actually matters. They show a clean prompt, a clean answer, and a perfect result. But real work does not start clean. Real work starts with messy notes, repeated alerts, half-finished tickets, unclear priorities, and a human wondering what to do first. So in this video, we're going to treat the AI agent like a workflow operator, not a magic chatbot, not a toy demo. The job is simple: take messy work, understand it, organize it, recommend the next action, and keep a human review step before anything risky happens. Here is the messy input. Imagine a queue with customer notes, system alerts, vulnerability findings, Slack messages, email requests, and a few duplicated issues. Some items are urgent, some are noise, some are missing context. This is where most automation breaks because the input is not already organized. The first job of the agent is classification. It separates the work into categories like security issue, customer impact, operations task, duplicate item, missing information, and low priority noise. Classification matters because you cannot build a reliable workflow if everything lands in the same bucket. Next, the agent extracts useful facts. What system is affected? Who reported it? Is there customer impact? Is there a deadline? Is there a known owner? Is this a repeat issue? The agent is not just summarizing, it is turning messy text into structured fields that the workflow can use. Then the agent prioritizes. A good agent does not just say everything is important. It scores the item by impact, urgency, confidence, and effort. A high impact issue with a clear owner moves up. A vague request with missing information gets routed for clarification. A duplicate gets linked instead of creating more noise. Now the messy queue becomes a workflow board. Each item has a category, priority, owner, next action, evidence, and review status. This is where the agent becomes useful. The output is not a paragraph. The output delta is something a person or team can actually operate from. But the agent should not have unlimited freedom. If the next action is low risk, it can draft the response, prepare the ticket, or summarize the evidence. If the next action changes production, sends an external message, deletes data, or touches sensitive information, the workflow stops for human approval. This is the before and after. Before, a messy pile of alerts, notes, requests, and uncertainty. After, a ranked workflow with clear decisions, clean handoffs, and approval gates. That is the difference between using AI as a chatbot and using AI as an operational system. The important lesson is that AI agents are most valuable when they sit between messy input and repeatable action. They do not need to replace the human. They need to reduce the chaos, expose the decision, prepare the next step, and make the human review faster and better. You can reuse this pattern almost anywhere: lead intake, vulnerability, triage, content, planning, customer support, research workflows, incident review, job applications. Take the messy input, classify it, extract facts, prioritize it, create the output, and require approval for risky actions. Here is the checklist. Start with a messy real workflow. Define the categories, extract the fields that matter, score priority with simple rules, generate a usable output, not just a summary, add human approval where risk matters. If you are finding this content useful, please subscribe, like, and comment.